Guys, we go now, guys. We only drink coconut here in farmhouse, guys. Slowly, huh? Tani. Ah, slowly. Krisa, baby, one egg. Husband, sleeper very bad. I wash that, don't worry. Next time you come here, you do the boots like me, huh? You need to buy it, small. Oh my God. You know how to climb the bridge with baby? You sure? Oh, you just only hold there. Egg. Egg. Kagamay ani nga egg. Uy, murag itlog sa bitin. Kanang pinataas. Mm. Mahuman na kaya nigmayo mga kalsada dere. Mulaag mi ba? Ha? Ay, oo. Mm. Krisa. Look! Smile! Finish! Mama!